All right. I think I'm on. All right, hello guys. What up? What up? What up? All right, so today I'm gonna give y'all a cool deck with the Furnace Evolution. It's obviously the Furnace, the new Furnace we work, Snowball, Drill, Knight, Cannon, Log, Spirit, and Skeletons. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but oh shoot, didn't mean to click that. But I stole this deck from this guy because I lost to him because I was trying out new Furnace decks. So I just copied his deck. So credit to Scorpion with no clan. Thanks, man. So I played this deck right now. It's pretty dope. Just like a regular drill deck, but like better defense with the Furnace. Anyways, I'll be playing this game. I swear if I lose, I'll crash out. Not really. But let's do it. Nico. We're gonna play against Nico. So we're gonna do a drill first play, cause why not? Bad play. Everyone's got freaking Furnace. Alrighty. We got some good damage there. Let's do our own Furnace. It's got a hut. So the spares are gonna cancel out. It's got Night. It's got Graveyard. What the flippity flam? Put Canny here to help. There you go. Oh, please tell me. Please, no. Okay. Okay, I played that really bad, but he got less damage than me. Oh my god, bro. Raze that plays a drill, bro. I should have snowballed it. Hey, I could have snowballed it and killed the witch. This Furnace. He's gonna do his own Furnace. Let's do Knight to tank. Okay, let's set up a cannon when the poison dies for that stupid graveyard thingamajigger. Let's put the cannon, the drill over there. He's gotta defend that. He can't just graveyard. Yep. What? How much range does that have? Oh my god. That has a lot of range. Oh, and there's stupid spear goblins gonna pop out. I must save my evil furnace for an attack. I mean, for their attack. Okay. Let me cycle my ball. I'm gonna nut on this guy. Let me cycle a cannon. He's gonna do this. Yep, there it is. There it is. There's the kill that witch. Protect my thingamajiggy. My furnace, I mean. Holy shoot, look at my spears. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Gonna do this. Okay, I was gonna do evil snowball. Okay, he misplaced his knight, so I'm gonna log this so everything can die. Not everything, but you know what I mean. Cycle another furnace. Do not let the cross. Okay. Let's do a drill. And try to cycle to another evil furnace. We got some chip damage with the furnace. So here comes a big push of God knows what was that. And block this. I don't want nothing passing. Okay, kill that witch, Good. Morris for what is this guy doing? There's so much huts. Okay, I'm gonna snowball that. That was a bad idea. Now I just made him make a bigger push. Let me start another furnace here. Okay. Okay, he's getting graveyard. That was kind of bad for him. Snowball that. Those spirits are gonna be a freaking trouble. Iron Jewel drill. Pressure, pressure, pressure. No, freaking. Okay, come on, get some stabs, goblins. Thank you, goblins. Sweet goblin in my mind. What is this push? Defensive drill? Because why not? Oh my god. Okay, I think we got this in the bag. Put a drill right there. Some log. Snowball. Yep, I think we won. Yes, go. GG's for that guy. Oh my god. Sorry guys. I'm a little tired today. I've been moving boxes and stuff. But I just want to see this new card. So far this deck is pretty good. Alright, I'm really enjoying it. Anyways, gonna do another one. Oof. I was gonna do another good cycle. But like the new furnace came out, so I had to try it. Alright, let me do Ice Spirit. And frick this guy, bro. Really, man? Princess first play? I mean, I do that too, but still. Recruits. I don't like that side. Actually, that's actually kind of good, because my freaking, whatchamacallit? Log that. Get some good value out of that. Scout. It's probably log bait. So I'm just gonna do this. Let's probably do a goblin game. Yep. I should put the skeletons on top. I'm stupid. But we still got, oh my god, my freaking voice cracks. Anyway, we still got some good damage. That was a bad furnace for me. You know what? I was gonna do and put a cannon. Oh, never mind. The freaking whatchamacallit, the furnace got it. I'm like, what? I wasted so much elixir. Ooh. Damn, look how much value that freaking furnace got. Killed the princess and bandit and the dark goblin. Okay, snowball that, because that's gonna kill them goblins. Nice. Now we learn from our mistakes. Oh, what the heck? I still want, it's like 2 stabs. Let me do my furnace. I'm gonna kill that. I don't like that princess. Come on. Let's go. Okay, it got towards the thingamajiggy. Okay, another furnace, We got double furnace. Double furnace. Oh my god, look at the fire spirits. Holy shoot. Oh my god, that is actually insane. He's gonna do a fake double, bro. Let's go. We got it. Oops. Oh shoot, that was my knight. I'm stupid. Anyway, we still got it. We still defended. Excuse me, that princess? There we go. This is awesome. I like this deck, man. Oh, that's so good. I like it. I like this emo. I just like it. I don't know why. Boop, my bum. So far, I'm really enjoying this deck of Furnace. You got the good defense from Furnace. Like, you can low-key destroy Logbait with this deck because it's got Furnace and its fire spirits are spawning everywhere. Anyway, this cycle are Snowball. Fisherman might be whatchamacallit, the stupid RG deck or the I have no parents deck. Okay. Cracker. Or firecracker. Why? Let me cycle skeletons. We got some good damage. Golem! Are we dead at? Are we dead at us? I'm gonna try to activate King with this. Okay, Cracker is dead. Okay, we got a good counter push. Oh shoot. Stupid ghost, man. Oh, never mind. Ghost in. He had to fireball it. And we still got some stabs. Oh shoot, sorry. I'm cannon this. Yes, man. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit. I was gonna get so mad. And cycle to a furnace evolution. Why is he celebrating? You know what? I'll celebrate with you. I can't. Am I stupid? I'm stupid. Let me kill that. I don't like that cracker. Tank for the tank. Ah. Whatever. We got the furnace evolution. Grrr. Let's do Evo. Not Evo Snowball. Oh my god, look at the spirits. Oh my god, look how much spirit. You know what? Look how much spirits are. Oh shoot, they didn't want me to click that. Let's put more. I was gonna do more spirits. That was kind of lame. Low key, I like this deck. Beep boop bop. So you target anything but the freaking call it? Yeah, get that out of here. Good game. Let's put kiss emoji. Yes. So far I'm on 3-win streak because the first game I played with the other one, it was log bait basically. No, it was Cracker with drill, but I changed it. OP Prime. What? You know what? I'm gonna kiss you. Oh shoot, the dab. The dab. Why is he? Why is he doing? Grrr. Why is everyone mad when they see Furnace? Is Furnace really a knob? Ooh. He's gonna kill that prince, bro. What the heck? I mean, he's... Okay, you got some good damage. It was kind of bad cannon placement. Could be better. Let me cycle to a furnace Evo. Yes, I do know you're in. Oh my god. I'm freaking insane. I'm losing my mind. I think that's a dead prince. Whoa. Oh, he's got a witch? Can I even reach? I don't like witches. Kill that witch. I should just snowball that. Is this guy dumb? He just wasted his freaking prince. Anyway, it's bad to call people dumb, actually. He probably miscalculated it. What is this guy? You got some good stabs, good stabbies, good stabby webbies. He hasn't touched my tower. Okay, let's cycle to it's gonna freaking do that. Whoa, 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 what are we doing, Valk? Valk, what we doing, Valk? What was that, Valk? Snowball that. Just log that. Ah, I should have waited. Ah, I should have waited. Are we dead? Are we dead us?
Hey, witch, come on here, witch, witch!
No! I thought that was a drill. I don't want that to pass, so I'm gonna put. Don't pass, don't pass. Okay, this is not good. Our playing is really bad. Okay, okay. Some good stabs, some good stabs. Log. No, he's gonna win by poison. Ah! It was so close. Oh, should we record for 18 minutes? All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. that game didn't count. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace out, y'all.